Hey guys, I'm Sebastian. This is Don.
Oh, come on. You can let me think first.
No. So we're going to cover how to get rid of, how to fix shoulder blade muscle pain. Shoulder blade muscle pain.
Mm-hmm.
So where do you feel that? Where do people feel shoulder blade muscle pain typically?
Either directly on the shoulder blade here,
They feel it on it?
sometimes on it, or in between the spine and the shoulder blade itself.
I think here is pretty common, I find, but you're right, it could be on the shoulder blade.
Mm-hmm.
If I touch you longer and look at the camera, I get more thumbnail options.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you think about shoulder blade muscle pain?
I think that a lot of times when people come in with shoulder blade muscle pain, it isn't necessarily a muscle that is the culprit for that pain. Although you may press on it, it might be a little bit tender. You might work on it, you might massage it, it might help it for a little bit, but it always comes back. It's the muscle responding to something else that's causing that pain.
Yeah, and I guess we should mention we're going to show you a couple tips today. 2 tips. We're all both going to share one. We're not sure what yet, as you can tell in the beginning. We didn't prep for this. We're going to show you a couple tips that you guys can try, and if it works, then reach out to us.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we can probably help you. So, but you're right. It's hardly ever the muscle. Usually something will refer there. And it's usually some type of nerve or cervical disc problem. Again, not a big issue. You just have to remedy it different than just only massaging it if massage isn't working.
Mm-hmm.
I know that you treated me for, I had this like a couple months back,
Mm-hmm.
and I remember you were like, oh, let's just do an exercise, and I was like, I don't want to exercise this muscle, and you're like, it's not a muscle. I'm like, but it feels like a muscle.
Mm-hmm.
It really feels like a muscle, but it's not a muscle.
Mm-hmm.
And it got better after about 3 days.
Yeah,
Cool. So,
I just found my idea.
you want to show him? Okay. You go first then.
Okay.
You want me to zoom in on anything?
No, I can just do it from right here. So, you guys, if you've been watching some of our shoulder blade videos, you'll notice there's a common trend of it coming from the neck, correct? And we show you these chin tuck exercises, but this is a really good one that we give for some people as well. So if you have a rope at home or a band or a workout, some type of band like this, put it at the very base of your neck here, almost like you're pressing down on your upper traps here. And I want you to pull forward and downward a little bit here as you go through your chin tuck and extend over it, okay? I want you to think about where your shoulder blades are in that position though, okay? So not up towards your ears, but down into your back pockets like this, okay? Pull on the rope, tuck, and back. Trying to keep your shoulder blades exactly where they are the entire time. Tuck and back.
How many times do you do something like that?
I try to make sure that this is working for you. Try 20 reps of these and then see if it helps with some of that shoulder blade pain that you're having.
Yeah, and a lot of times it's a good idea to test, like, you know, shoulder movement would bother it, or neck movement, and then you're like, oh, I guess I'll try these in 20. Holy crap, that's better. Like, that's a good, it doesn't need to completely go away, it just means to reduce. That's a good way that we use as a test anyways, to see if this is the right thing for people to try, at least for this period of time. By the way, if you only did that till the end of time to take it away, you're gonna end up with some pretty bad pain in a different way. So this is what we call first aid. It's for like a 5-10 day period usually, and then we get rid of it in lieu of giving something that's more sustainable, such as a corrective exercise or a loading program. And that's why recovery from these shoulder blade issues is basically a 4-step process. I know what I'm going to do because I know I saw what you did. So I'm going to take the different approach, and I'm going to use this mid-back as something that might be the thing that bothers people. The mid-back is the thing that may be driving things for people. There's a gentleman that comes in, he has shoulder blade upper trap pain, and we do some of the same, you know, that thing, we do a little bit of this thing, the things that we show in the other videos, and it doesn't work. And so we just go out and get a foam roller, or use the chair, and you just have them do this. Hey, I just popped myself. How about that?
Careful.
Don't pop, careful. Can't say you pop yourself anymore. It did pop, and I did it to myself.
So what do you feel when you're doing this?
So I just feel myself bending over the chair. I don't feel anything stretching. I'm almost trying to break the chair with the pressure of gravity of my back. Like, I'm not trying to force anything really too much. And this is like gentle mobilization of the mid-back and maybe a slide down and get another spot. And just challenge range. Okay? I don't care about how quick you do it. I care about how much range you can challenge. And then you do about 10 to 20 or so and you check and you're like, holy crap, it felt better. This actually does work a surprising amount of the time too. Because a lot of times if we're talking about shoulder blade winging, the shoulder blade, go ahead and turn that way for me. So the shoulder blade sits right upon the mid-back thoracic spine area. It needs a lot of movement out of the thoracic spine to do its job. And if this is not a good platform to move from, then we're looking at the possibility that you have all this dysfunction that happens. And so a lot of times we have to normalize the mid-back movement, give the shoulder blade a chance, and to do exercises such as shoulder blade scapular ones and so on.
I like it.
I realized I was looking at your back for a lot of that. It's hard to be on video. I don't know if people realize that you don't really, like, I would be looking at you, but I'm not when I'm talking to you.
Sometimes when you're talking, I feel like we're just talking to each other. I forget that there's a camera there.
Camera there.
Guys, if any of these works for you, we'd love to hear it. We'd love to know that some of these things that we put out there are helping people. So please leave a comment below. And if you guys are having this shoulder blade pain that's been going on for some time, this worked for you and you want to know where to go next, we have a free gift for you that you can take advantage of. It's in the description below. Just click on the link and some sort of free gift will pop up for you and that'll help you out with, what is that?
I'm scrolling because on phones you have to scroll. Sorry, it's this. That, right?
Yes.
This is like no, this is like Consor.
So you're telling them to scroll and find the free gift.
Well, because on a phone, the description's way below.
Oh, it's all the way at the bottom, not under the video?
Yeah,
Okay.
on desktop, on a computer, it's like really right there.
Yeah, okay. So there you go. Take advantage of the free gift. We always have people asking us what to do next, so that's what to do next, okay? If you guys want to know more about shoulder blade, what could be causing it, certain exercises for it, go to our channel, search in the search bar shoulder blade, and take advantage of the other videos that we have made for you guys. And if you would like some one-on-one guidance from one of us through this shoulder issue, it's been going on for too long, and you just want some individualized treatment for yourself, please reach out to us. We can do this virtually or in person. And that's it.
Cool. Talk to you guys next time.